What's going on? So in this video we got the Stihl MS170 and I'm doing my first initial thoughts and a small review. So I got this thing earlier today at my local John Deere dealer. They sell Stihl equipment, and I saw this thing and the price was $190, not including tax. And then I also got an extra chain, which was $20. Let me get the receipt for the chainsaw. $189.99. That's the market price. Extra chain, $22. What the heck is this? Dealer service, $5? I don't remember doing that, but yeah, whatever that is. $234.89 out the door. That's how much I paid for this. Not including the chain, $215-ish out the door. So you got, comes with the cover, comes with your manual. Here's the chain that I got. Tool. And then you have a little screwdriver for adjusting the idle. MS170. One thing that I'm gonna say is I like this thing a lot. I've only cut down 2 cedar trees with it, but man, it's pretty light. I think it comes in around 8 pounds. And my favorite thing about this is these your caps for your oil and gas. I like these because they're pretty knobby. They got this kind of this plastic design. I don't know if you can see that. So even with gloves on, you can really just get your hand on here and take it off. Compared to a lot of other things, you're kind of struggling, or you might even need your little tool to pop it open. This thing, no problem, just even with the gloves on. And then, so you got kill switch here, running, and then your stroke down there. This thing is just a little, you can unscrew that, air box is under here. And yeah, man. As far as your chain goes, let me see if I can get this up in the video. You're looking at 3/8 55 link, 1.1 millimeters, or 0.043, and 16 inches. Chain tensioner is right here. I know a lot of people might be used to it being right in there, but it's actually on this side. As far as cc's go, displacement 30 cc's. Now I asked the guy at the dealer, I was like, hey, I'm used to drop starting the saw where you can hold the handle and you kind of do both at the same time. I was like, is that bad for this thing? And he was like, well, as a dealer, you should put it on the ground. Your foot goes in here and then you pull start it. But to be honest, it doesn't really matter. That's what he told me. So I'm gonna do the old good habit. So yeah, guys, Stihl MS170. I'm looking forward to this thing. It's gonna take a beating.